Welcome to our refrigerator showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the Frigidaire EFR786 Retro Apartment Size Refrigerator and the BANGSON 7.7 Cu.Ft refrigerator. Both of these appliances are designed for smaller spaces, making them perfect for apartments, offices, and dorms. We'll look at their specifications, features, and what sets them apart. Let's get started. The Frigidaire EFR786 boasts a charming retro design with chrome accents, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. In contrast, the BANGSON refrigerator features a sleek stainless steel finish that offers a modern look. Both designs cater to different aesthetic preferences, allowing you to choose based on your kitchen decor. When it comes to storage capacity, the Frigidaire EFR786 offers 7.5 cubic feet, while the BANGSON refrigerator provides a slightly larger capacity of 7.7 cubic feet. This minor difference may influence your choice if you require more space for groceries and essentials. Both refrigerators come equipped with adjustable shelves and crisper drawers for optimal organization. However, the BANGSON model includes an automatic nightlight, enhancing visibility inside the fridge, which is a notable feature that the Frigidaire lacks. In conclusion, both the Frigidaire EFR786 and BANGSON 7.7 Cu.Ft refrigerator offer excellent options for small space living. The Frigidaire shines with its retro design, while the BANGSON stands out with its modern features and slightly larger capacity. Consider your personal style and storage needs when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.